may you get an error saying could not find the recovery environment. Insert your Windows installation or recovery media, and restart your PC with the media when you try to reset or refresh a Windows 10 11 PC. Even if you boot into recovery mode, you won't find anything under troubleshooting. You'll normally see reset your PC or advanced options here. In this video, I will guide you step by step to fix this problem. Method 1. Enable Windows Recovery Environment. Press the Windows key, then type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt. Click Run as Administrator. Click Yes if a message appears on the screen. Type Reagentc/info and hit Enter. You will see Windows RE status, disabled/enabled. If it is disabled, just type Reagentc/enable and hit Enter to re-enable it. Execute Reagentc/info command again to make sure the Windows recovery environment enab. Method 2. Fix Winre.wim corrupted or missing. In the command prompt window, type dir/s/sc:\winre.wim and hit Enter. The winver.wim file is usually located on C, but it may be stored on another drive. Then you need to change the switch C to the corresponding drive letter. For example, to search D drive for the file, type dir/s/sd:\winre.wim. Type reagentc/setreimage/path. Copy the path of winre.wim file and paste it after the command, then hit Enter. Now, type Reagentc/enable and hit Enter to enable Windows recovery environment. Execute Reagentc/info command again to make sure the Windows recovery environment enabled. Method 3. Use a Windows installation or recovery media instead. If you do not have a DVD of Windows installation, download a Windows ISO file that is similar or newer than your Windows version and build number. To know the version and build number of Windows, press the Windows key, then type WinVer and hit Enter. To know the version and build number of Windows in DVD or ISO file, type in command prompt dism/get-WimInfo/vimfile x \install.vim/index1. With X is the letter of DVD or mounted ISO file. You need to have 7-Zip app. Open 7-Zip File Manager app. Open Windows installation media from inside the 7-Zip app. Double-click on Sources folder. Double-click on install.wim file to open it. Double-click on folder number 1. Double-click on Windows. Double-click on System 32. You will see Recovery folder, select it. Click on Copy option. Change the path to whatever folder you want to save. Here is Music. Click OK. Open Music folder. Copy the recovery folder to the following path: x:\windows\system32\. With X is your system partition name. Back to command prompt, then type dir/a/sc:\winre.wim and hit enter. Type Reagentc/enable to enable Windows recovery environment again. Execute Reagentc/info command again to make sure the Windows recovery environment in AB.